These are two females. The light purple one is this one, and she is the darker of the two. That is the dark purple female, and she is the lighter. This is the brown color male, and he seems to be the lightest so far. The red color male, the orange color male, and the blue color male. It seems like the orange color male is the darkest. And the blue color male is the smallest of the litter so far. These are the two females. This is the dark purple color. She is the lighter female. This is the light purple color female, and she is the darker of the two.